Welcome back to Cooking with Bob. Today we're going to make a roast pork sandwich, Philadelphia style. I usually do 2 at a time of these. These are 3-pound pork shoulder butts, boneless. They're made by Swift. So I tie them with string and then I season them with olive oil, garlic, rosemary, salt, and thyme. I wrap them up really good with plastic wrap, and then I put those inside a bag. And then I put the bag inside the refrigerator for at least 24 hours so the seasoning becomes amazing. The next day, I start with a Dutch oven and I saute a sliced onion in olive oil. I add the tied marinated roast into the Dutch oven on top of the onions, and then I add 2 cups of chicken broth. Put the Dutch oven inside your oven at 325 and let the pork braise for 2 hours. After 2 hours, the temperature of the meat should be about 180 degrees. That is perfect for slicing. Any warmer and the meat is going to shred. You don't want pulled pork. You want slices. Then you're going to refrigerate them overnight so the meat gets nice and firm. Chilling the meat will make it easy to slice. Now, I use the meat slicer, but you can get pretty thin slices with a sharp knife. I use 6 ounces of pork for each sandwich. So I had enough to make 9 sandwiches. This is broccoli rabe, also known as rapini. So I put it in a pot with a 1/4 cup of water and I steam it to get it soft. And then I put it in a frying pan and I add olive oil, garlic, red pepper flakes, and salt and saute till it wilts down. This isn't just any provolone, it is sharp provolone. It is pungent and delicious. Simmer the meat slowly in the broth from yesterday. Do not let it boil. And then build your sandwich on a delicious amoroso roll. Cheese, meat, broccoli rabe. It is wonderful. So you don't have to go to Nick's in the Reading Terminal Market or John's in South Philly. You can make this delicious sandwich at home.